Good morning. Guatemala. Plans for my vacation. Where this place is? Guatemala is located off the Central America. Timon it is voted to the west and north the Mexico to the ACB Belize and the Gulf of Honduras to the Rosie B. Honduras and El Salvador. And the Zone B. the Pacific Ocean. Well, to get the travel planner to avoid the trip of tourists in will could and direct flight to Guatemala carries the necessary papers, requisites, and the airport at the Aurora International Airport. What is Lock Lake? To spectate out my attention for Guatemala areas. The old Maya to be the world in this Guatemala is sophisticated and they tell IT Baja archaeology city. Like pyramid in terms of volume, La Danta, it is considered the largest pyramid in the world. Most beautiful lagoon in the world according to National Geographic. Lagoon in Italy in Guatemala is the most beautiful in the world. The capital of Guatemala. Exhibited its Gold Lake to visit to destination. I want to visit Guatemala of the culture and activities that are content of 3 days vacation in United Country also exists. Antigua Guatemala preserves its essences and they one on this place where I decided to spend my vacation next year. There is a war located to where Antigua ATV Sunset Tour takes a trip be planned for Antigua to Pacaya Volcano and the thermal bath. Like the town single cruise tour of the of Antigua. Thank you for your attention.